Hi everyone, this is a very quick overview video of the new Hover AVI 3-inch instrument that MakerPlane are assembling and distributing through the MakerPlane web store. And this is a collaboration between Hover and B4-3D. So this is the 3-inch prototype unit, and there are 2-inch panel hole versions as well. The instrument ships with open source software that includes an airspeed indicator, altimeter, heading indicator, attitude indicator with other data shown as well, and an angle of attack display. The configuration pages allow the user to change the various options, and you can change the brightness of the screen using the buttons at the top. Now the instrument itself, they're printed in nylon material using laser sintering, which makes them very strong, very robust, and good in high temperature environments. Now to connect to the Dynasty SkyView, you can use the built-in Wi-Fi connection in the instrument or a wired connection. You can also use a wired connection for the Garmin G3X EFIS, and these are fantastic to remote into, say, the back seat of a tandem aircraft. We're also working on our own data sources as well, our own MakerPlane open source ADAHRS unit, and that will be released very soon, and you can track that on the MakerPlane website. In order to find out more about the hoverboard itself, you can visit hover.tech. That's also the repository for the open source software, so feel free to download that and make your own instruments. It's a great system, and we're looking at putting that up on GitHub as well at some stage in the future. And pricing and availability will be released as soon as we have that information. Stay tuned. Thank you.